This review is of Perfect Bar, the original refrigerated protein bar, peanut butter flavor. 20 plus superfoods, which is not a scientific thing. Organic and thus non GMO, 17 grams of protein, so I hope it doesn't taste like crap like most high protein products. And you don't need to eat protein products to get enough protein for the most part. Let's see. So, low glycemic index, gluten free. I'm not sure what that means. AKA approved. Um, yeah, I don't know what that means. Our dad was a health food pioneer. Huh. Okay. Store in the fridge or freezer. Take on the go for 1 week. Certified organic by QAI. And again, like low glycemic index. All right, nutrition facts. The bar has got 19 grams of fat, of which 3 are saturated, no trans fats, 2 unsaturated, 14 monounsaturated, 15 milligrams of cholesterol, 50 milligrams of sodium, 27 grams of carbs, of which 3 are dietary fiber, 19 are sugars, of which 13 are added, and 17 grams of protein. Let's see. And the number 2 ingredient is sugar. Number 3 is milk. Number 4 is egg. Number 5 is rice protein. Okay, wonderful. Well, let's go ahead and give this a try. And by the way, although you do need to keep it refrigerated, it will last several months in the fridge. It does not want to open. All right, I'm whipping out the knife here. I don't have time to be fooling around. That is a blonde peanut butter bar. Very dry. That's actually pretty tasty with the honey. Although, of course, honey is like 40-50% fructose. So you do want to be a little bit cautious about how much honey you're taking in, because it's similar to, like, well, a lot of sugars have a lot of fructose in them. I'm going to say with the yeah, it's really hard to think of a sugar that isn't high in fructose. But most of the sugars that we eat most commonly have 40-50%. And then there's a high fructose corn syrup, and then there's pure fructose, of course. But this bar is very, very tasty. If you've never mixed together peanut butter and honey, this is a good place to start. I'm going to give this an 8. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.